future perfect tense in architecture, planning future structures, and LT, BR, and GT, and LT, BR, and GT in the world of architecture. The future perfect tense plays a significant role in imagining and planning future structures. The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions or events that will be completed at some point in the future. In architecture, this tense is particularly vital as architects and designers constantly imagine and plan structures that may not come to fruition for many years. Let's explore this concept further through some illustrative examples, and LT, BR, and GT, and LT, BR, and GT. One prime example of the future perfect tense in architecture is the upcoming construction of the tallest skyscraper in the world. By the year 2030, architects envision a towering structure that will surpass even the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. The planning and design process for this skyscraper has been ongoing for years. And by the time it is completed, it will have revolutionized the skyline of the city, and LT, BR, and GT, and LT, BR, and GT. Another example of the future perfect tense in architecture is the development of sustainable cities. By 2050, many urban planners aim to create cities that are completely self-sufficient in terms of energy and resources. These cities will have green spaces, efficient public transportation systems, and environmentally friendly buildings. The vision for these sustainable cities has been in the works for decades. And in the future perfect tense, we can say that by 2050, these cities will have been successfully built and functioning, and LT, BR, and GT, and LT, BR, and GT further. The use of digital technology in architecture is another area where the future perfect tense comes into play. Architects are now using advanced software to create 3D models and simulations of their designs. Through this technology, designers can visualize and analyze their structures before they are even built. In the future perfect tense, we can say that architects will have perfected these digital tools to create more efficient and innovative designs, and LT, BR, and GT, and LT, BR, and GT in conclusion. The future perfect tense in architecture allows us to envision and plan for structures that have not yet been realized. Through ongoing innovation and creativity, architects continue to push the boundaries of design and construction. By using the future perfect tense, we can imagine a future where architectural marvels will have been brought to life, shaping the world around us in remarkable ways.